Vikings, get ready to fly. Hey, Toothless, we gotta prepare for launch. They're almost here. Can't wing line their wings, though. Okay, getting into position. These wings will give you a dragon's eye view of Earth. No dragons required. Just floating, that's all. So just keep moving forward. No. Forward. You know which way is forward, right? Oh no, the eggs are hatching. Maybe you're right, bud. Maybe there'll never be anything like flying with your best friend. As long as your best friend is a dragon. God, come on. Toothless, you know that doesn't wash out. Yeah. Alright, now, gather up all your axes, helmets, and shields, and prepare to exit the wing run. And watch out for the dragon pool. You're Vikings now, not occasional hazards.